Love, New York.
What's good, YouTube? You know, we finna leave, going to New York. Told you I was gonna vlog it for y'all. So yesterday, I had hit on the sneakers app for the off-white dunks on exclusive access. So that was like a dope birthday gift for me this week, I think. I'm trying to get those low-top Travis Scott joints. We got like a minute and 33 seconds left. So hopefully I hit on these. If I hit on these, man, it's been a good week. They gave your boy an L. They handing out L's like they always do, man. But my girl, she still got hers active. So we're gonna see if I hit on her phone, man. 2 L's, man. Well, you know, mine said I wasn't selected, so we took 2 L's. So, you know, but like I said, I got that off-white exclusive access yesterday on them dunks. So when I get back, man, I'm gonna see which dunks I got. Hopefully, it's one of the rare ones, man. But yeah, we're finna fly out, bro. See y'all when we get to New York. What's good, y'all? So we just got in the Uber on the way to New York City from the airport. It's like an hour drive, so we're gonna be chilling in the car for a little minute until we get there. I'm hungry, man. I'm ready to eat, and I'm ready to get to New York to see what's going on. What's good, y'all? So we finally made it to the hotel. I'm about to let y'all check out the room. We about to get ready to hit the city too, though. So we gotta change and stuff. Got the shower and everything. This room kind of small. Like, this is probably the smallest hotel room I ever had. Couldn't really tell by the pictures, but you know, we're here for the city, man. That's the most part. We're just gonna be crashing here and sleeping here. Yeah, so we had to walk to the hotel room. Our Uber had to drop us off because the traffic is so bad here. We had to walk a little bit to get here.
It was an hour drive here.
Yeah, it was an hour drive to get here. We got a good feel for the city. It's kind of crazy down here, but we're about to go hit the streets after we put some clothes on. And we're gonna see y'all then. We're gonna get something to eat and everything. Y'all know we about to head out, you know. Got my girl, you know, she got the dunks on with the graphic tee, you know what I'm saying? Something slight, you know, we just chilling. About to go grab something to eat, man. But yeah, what y'all think about the fit, man? We're about to hit these streets. So before we hit the city, we stopped and got some Shake Shack real quick because we hungry. My girlfriend never had Shake Shack, man. This thing fire. She about to fall in love with it. Got me a milkshake, some fries, and a burger. Finna tear this up. Then we might hit some like shopping spots. I don't know. We're gonna see what New York got, man. Oh, we out here, man. We're doing some shopping. I just caught me a dope Aaliyah tee from Urban Outfitters. About to go check out some more stores. So we walked around a little bit earlier. We went to like a couple stores, but we really couldn't find nothing. So tomorrow we're gonna go to Soho, and that's where I really want to go shop. So we're gonna hit that up. But right now we're about to go to Times Square and just see the vibe of New York at nighttime, see how it is and everything.
Maybe find a lounge.
Yeah, maybe find like a lounge or like a rooftop or a bar. Something, you know what I'm saying, laid back where we can chill and vibe and probably get some food. Yeah. About to take our pictures real quick. You know, we're gonna post up for the gram and show y'all the drip.
All right, so we got this beautiful wall card. So I'm gonna write Amari. That's me. Plus Josh. Love. New York. Period.
We back at the hotel right now. We about to go upstairs to the rooftop, probably grab something to drink, something to eat, and just chill out. And we're gonna call it a night until tomorrow. Tomorrow we got a lot of shopping we're gonna do and a lot of places we're gonna go. We're gonna hit the subway tomorrow probably, so we can get to where we gotta go. It's day 2 in New York, and we starting the morning off at this like coffee, like bakery type place. I got me like a turkey croissant sandwich and an orange juice. and my girl got like some type of like fruit. I don't know what that is,
what it's called.
but it looks good though. And she got her ice caramel latte. So we about to get this. Then we're gonna go over to Soho and do some shopping. We're gonna get on the subway too for the first time. So we're gonna see how that goes.
This is so good.
We're in Soho right now. We've been doing a little bit of shopping. My girl went shopping. I haven't got nothing yet because we have to like go to different sides of Soho to go to different stores. So right now we walking to the side that I want to go on to see some stores I want to see. It's hot out here, man. You see I'm sweating, but you know, we burning them calories and we're just getting our walk on, getting the feel for the city. So y'all, every store I've been trying to go to, the lines were like super long, like just like that. This is the store for Capsule. You know, they sell shoes, clothes, hats, everything. I tried to go to Hat Club, and I tried to go to the Eric Emanuel store. I had no luck. So how was your first ride on the subway? What you think about it?
It wasn't that bad.
It wasn't that bad. We got across town quick.
I thought I was gonna see a lot of homeless people.
Yeah, it wasn't too bad. It was hot down there though. It was cool though. It was smooth. New York is actually cool. Yesterday was the first day we got here. It was kind of overwhelming. It was super hot, so much traffic, so many people. But you know, as we've been here, you know, we've been kind of, you know, getting used to it, getting used to the vibe. It's straight. It's nothing crazy, man.
I didn't even see this one.
Look over that. I second guessed it, then I came back and got it.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you very much. Thank you. So we're back at the hotel. We eating. We had to cool down. Man, New York is super hot. When it's like summertime, it's like almost 100 degrees out here. But anyways, we just chilling right now. We're just cooling down. We're gonna find something else to do later in the evening. Right now, we're just trying to like, you know, eat, you know, get our mind back right, cause we just been going. New York is like non-stop. It's like a whole nother world when you get back to your hotel room, like for real. What's good, y'all? So we back out at Times Square. We at Hard Rock Cafe right now, man. We've been walking around. We got tired a little bit and we got hungry. So, you know, we had to come and get something to eat. I got me something to drink and I got me some nachos. She got her an Impossible Burger. She on her healthy stuff, man. So, you know. So, y'all, it's Sunday morning in New York. Our last full day in New York. We at this restaurant called TikTok. It's like our first time getting some real breakfast here. Hopefully it's good. Yeah, we about to eat and then we're gonna get our day started. How you like it?
I love it. This is my scene in nature with water and seeing people working out. It's my favorite thing ever. It's beautiful.
So much less.
I almost ran into you. Me and Bae chilling in Central Park right now, man. Taking a little break. We've been walking a lot. It's real big. It's like a cool vibe out here, man. People just chilling, you know, spending time with family, walking around, doing some exercising. It's a lot to see, and it's just peaceful, you know.
Very
loving the vacation, man. New York is different. I like it so far. Yeah, we chilling.
I am really just embracing nature and just embracing this openness.
Yeah, man.
This is my
It feels good. It feels good not to do nothing and every day. That's why we're working so hard, so we can have, you know, that financial freedom to do whatever we want to do.
And have days
to be able to chill and just do what you want to do. You know what I mean? It feels good. That's why vacations always feel good, because you're getting a break from your reality.
You get a break and you get some experience and
to get
exposure.
experience and exposure.
That's why we travel, because we're looking for exposure. We're looking for new experiences, and we just want to meet new people and try new things.
So y'all, we right here where the Twin Towers were at. You know where 9/11 happened. We got the spot where the building was at, and it got all the names like across it, where all the people that died in it. So we like closer to the water in New York. I don't know exactly like what part of New York we at, but we can see the Statue of Liberty over here in the background. It doesn't seem as big as I thought it was, maybe because we're far away. But let me see if I can show y'all it. It's like right over there.
Okay, let me see the drip. Let me see the drip.
Alright, check out the drip. We're on the Travis Scott T, you know, the McDonald's joint. Feel me? You know, and I got the Nike shorts, you know what I'm saying? Something slight. It's like 10:30 right now. Really today, we kind of got around a lot. You know, you guys seen everything we did for the most part, but really, there wasn't really much we did today other than like what we didn't do like any other day. We kind of just came back after we left Central Park and stuff, walked around, got something to eat, and we just went back to the hotel room and chilled for a little bit. We just left the bar. We were just chilling, you know, talking. You know what I'm saying?
You had 3 drinks, y'all. I had 0.
I had 3 drinks. She didn't get none to drink. She left me hanging, but it's all good. So right now we just out walking around. You know, this is our last night in New York. Tomorrow we're leaving, and you know, I like New York. It's cool. We got used to it in a matter of short days. But next time we come, for sure, we're gonna hit up different parts of the city, like Brooklyn and like Harlem and stuff. Just kind of to get like a feel of New York, and I like it. I mess with it, man. So yeah, we're just out walking around, and we're leaving tomorrow. So I don't know where I'm gonna end this vlog at, but for right now, we just chilling. Oh, we got us some ice cream from McDonald's. You know what? We're gonna call it a night, man. Just go back to the room and just chill, man. Go to sleep. We gotta wake up early because, you know, where we at, it's like an hour from the airport, and we really don't got a lot of time to spare because we wanna wake up and go get breakfast and everything. So we gotta really, you know what I'm saying, play it smart. So we ain't finna stay out too late, you know. Finna go back home. I got me some ice cream, and I got me some fries to go with it. Y'all already know that McDonald's ice cream and fry combo go crazy. So yeah, we about to go back to the room, man. We'll see y'all in the morning. So it's Monday morning, man. We're about to get ready to go to the airport in a few. We stopped at Dunkin' Donuts and got us some breakfast, something so we can eat real quick, and then head to the airport and get ready to go back home. It was a fun trip in New York. It was definitely like good memories, and it's definitely worth coming back to adventure some more. So we definitely gonna be back. Yeah, so we're about to eat and get ready to go to the airport. We at the airport chilling right now, waiting to board on the plane right now. We just really chilling. My girl over here, you know, she writing down her goals. You know, it's back to reality now, and we still got, you know, dreams to chase. You know, she's going back to school. So yeah, we just chilling right now, about to get on the plane, man. New York was a fun trip. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. Make sure you guys subscribe, smash that like button, and leave a comment on what you think about the video. I'll see you guys later.